Warzone Season 4 just dropped, and it's shaking things up big time. From a game-changing Gulag update to a controversial new field upgrade, this update is sparking heated debates. Stick around to see what's new and how it'll impact your next drop. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for gaming and tech scoops. Call of Duty Warzone Season 4 is here, and Raven Software is bringing some serious changes to the Battle Royale. A new Gulag armor twist, the end of classic solos, and a field upgrade that's got campers licking their chops. What's going on? Let's break it down. First up, the Gulag is getting a major upgrade. Raven Software announced on May 29, 2025, the players will now enter the Gulag with a single armor plate equipped. Before, you went in with zero armor, leading to some brutally fast time to kill moments. This change aims to balance things out and reduce those blink and you're dead scenarios, giving you a fighting chance to return to the match. But here's the big shocker. Classic Battle Royale solos is gone. Raven's replacing it with Battle Royale casual solos, a new mode mixing real players and bots. This has split the community. Some love the low-pressure vibe for practice, while others miss the hardcore solo experience. Raven says they're monitoring feedback, so this could evolve based on what players think. Now let's talk about the new Door Barricade field upgrade. Available first in the Clash limited time mode, this lets you lock down doors to secure a room. Sounds strategic, right? But some players are worried it'll turn Warzone into a camper's paradise. Don't panic yet. It is destructible with a few bullets or explosives, and Raven plans to roll it out to other modes later, so we'll see how it plays out. On a brighter note, Season 4 brings back two fan-favorite weapons, the LC-10 submachine gun and the FBAR-1 assault rifle. The LC-10 is a mid-range beast with great accuracy and a quick reload, while the FR-1 is a close-quarters bullet hose with assault rifle power. Both are free to unlock via the Battle Pass and usable in Warzone, Black Ops 6 multiplayer, and Zombies. Time to grind those tears. With other tweaks like improved SMG drop rates and assault rifle bullet velocity, Season 4 is leaning hard into close-quarters combat. Whether you're hyped for these changes or skeptical, one thing's clear: Warzone is keeping us on our toes. So what's your take on Warzone Season 4? Are you loving the Gulag armor change, or is the Door Barricade giving you camper nightmares? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's debate. If you want more Warzone updates and gaming news, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for GadInsider. We've got you covered.